Hi everyone, so I'm back today to do a quick video on making this journal, which is a complete junk journal, as I am going to take part in Junk Journal January. This has been organised by Meg's Journals, and it's a collaboration with Get Messy Art. So as you can see here, I'm just folding my pages. Some of them I may rip off, but because I don't know what I'm going to do yet, because it's a full month ahead of making stuff with the prompts that are given, and saying that I may not do all the prompts, because one of them, the first one, unfortunately, is resolutions. I don't do that, but what I might turn it into something else instead. So I mean, you don't have to do every single thing. You can kind of go along with this challenge and do what you want to do, or change it around a little bit. So anyway, completely using book pages here to make my journal. Edith Holden book pages from wedding books and flower books and vintage books and all sorts of things. So yeah, easy peasy. If you've got all the book pages, you can use whatever you like. You could just use plain papers and then just decorate it as you go along, but I'm using these. I've seen some lovely ones so far. Everybody's ready to go. I'm not going to show when I do it. Obviously there's 31 prompts, sorry. So I will probably maybe do some on camera, and then maybe at the end of each week just do a little flip through of what I've done so far. But yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this. It's good for the mind, especially in January, such a horrible month, I think. So yeah, you can carry on watching me do this. If there's any questions about anything, ask below. I show a little flip through at the end of it all, and I think I've shown a flip through on Instagram as well. So yeah, just enjoy my quick process.